Perfect weeknight dinner if you have old rice laying around. Let's start. I'm seasoning my beef cubed. I'm adding apple cider because I don't want to cook the beef on stew setting. I just want to saute the beef, so I want it to be soft enough for easy eating. So I'm cooking the beef in its own moisture, and its own fat will help fry it. And I let the beef stand for about half hour before cooking it. That's the reason I added the apple cider so that it can be tender. Since I have rice in the fridge that is a couple days old, all I'm going to do is saute this rice. And to start, I'm adding some garlic to my oily residue, add some turmeric powder, and then add the bouillon, and finally the rice. Saute really nicely until it's evenly colored. Alright, so now that the beef is ready, let's just mix a little bit of tomato salad. That's how I call it. Add tomato, diced onion, cilantro, a little bit of garlic, lime juice, olive oil, salt. Mix it well and set it aside. Alright, my home restaurant is open this Tuesday, so serve yourself. Add a little bit of beef to your yellow rice, top it with tomato salad and a little bit of sour cream. You don't have to, but trust me, it tastes so good. And top it all with golden pepperoncini. So good. You notice that I didn't add any hot pepper, but feel free to add it. But that pepperoncini makes a difference. Bon appetit!